Guys, have you ever dug out an old home video only to realise that it looks like it was filmed through a dirty window? I mean, you know the kind of ones, right? Shaky, blurry, colours all over the place. You press play and you think, wow, a bit of nostalgia. But also, wow, did I really look like that back in the 1990s? Well, what if I told you that with just one click, you could breathe new life into those old clips, sharpen them, upscale them all the way to 8K, and even restore damaged footage that refuses to play? Well, that's exactly what I'm testing today with HitPaw's VikPea software. And spoiler alert, the results are kind of mind-blowing. So, want to see how? Well, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, let me set the scene. Over the years, I've tried loads of video tools, from free apps to ridiculously expensive professional suites. Most of them either do a decent job but take hours of fiddling, or they promise magic and give you, well, disappointment. HitPaw's VikPea is a bit different. It's built around AI. I mean, we all know what AI is, right? Which means instead of me spending hours tweaking sliders and filters and whatever, the software actually looks at your video, figures out what's wrong with it, and applies the right fixes. It can upscale videos all the way to 8K, repair corrupted files, denoise old footage, colorize black and white clips, and even remove backgrounds. I mean, all sounds like a bit of a tall order, right? Well, let's see what it actually does in practice. Now, before we get into it, HitPaw reached out to me and asked me to take a look at the VikPea software and give it an honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this underway. Now, installation's pretty easy. Go to the website, click download, job done. Once you've installed VikPea, you're greeted with a really clean, simple interface. No overwhelming menus, just a few tabs on the side. You've got video enhancer, you've got AI color, you've got video repair, and you've got some AI tools for background removal, stabilisation, and frame interpolation. Straight away, you can tell this is designed for creators at any level, not just tech nerds. And you know what? That's a big plus. Now, let's try some old video clips. First of all, here is some rather ancient footage of me strumming my guitar with my daughter obviously trying to annoy me. Now, she's 32, which tells you how old this clip is. As expected, blurry and quality which probably looked good back then, but now just looks bad, and it's honestly painful to watch for many reasons. So let's throw it into VikPea. I'll pick the AI pilot model, which basically lets the software decide what's best. Run a preview, wait a few seconds, and look at that. My daughter's hair is detailed, the guitar strings are sharper, and the whole video just pops. And with that one click, it's also doubled the resolution automatically. And you know what? That's not bad for 20 seconds of waiting. Now guys, running that clip again, but this time with the HD sharpen model. And after the preview, you see that this model produces pretty much the same result, which just goes to show that the AI pilot did a good job. Now guys, let's load in another video. This one is from a film from the 80s called Party Party. Not many people have probably heard of it, but it's pretty old. Now, same deal. Let's pick the AI model and load the preview and look at the analysis of the video. It's high compression, medium blurriness. So you know what? Let's hit the preview button and wait a few seconds, and boom, look at that. The detail of the fruit in the bowl, I mean the man's shirt sleeves, I mean the detail's crazy, particularly as the colours were so saturated in this clip. So for VikPea to make this as clear as it is, it's nothing short of magic. So let's go crazy and export this one. Now you have local export, which lets your computer do all the heavy lifting, or you have cloud export, which leverages HitPaw's cloud compute to handle the work. This might be particularly useful if you've got an old or low powered computer. Anyway, let's keep it local for now and see what we get. So we're all queued up and waiting. Now I have to say that this processing does take some time. So if you've got a long clip, you may want to go and do something else, because this type of function is really a process, for background processing rather than a quick file copy or even a standard video render. Anyway, I've sped this up to keep you guys from waiting. So processing complete, we can get a preview, and even in this playback window, it's impressive. But let's play them back side to side. And yeah, look at that. The old clip and the new clip, night and day. Look at the curtains and the stripes in the shirt, the creases in the jumper. I mean, even the fish in the tank have got an upgrade. I mean, it's amazing. Now guys, let's find my oldest clip, and this one is maybe around 60 years old and was originally converted from old Cinefilm, not by me, I may hasten to add, but yeah, that's pretty old. Cinefilm, what the heck is that? Anyway, we're using the general restoration model here with a 2x upscale. Going to click on that preview, wait a few seconds, and boom. Look at the detail of the plane, the writing. In fact, everything is clear and, well, pretty sharp. Now, I'm going to try and export this using the cloud option to see how that works. And after some time, of course, sped up for you guys, the clip is processed. However, the cloud option didn't save me any time. But no worries. What's more important is looking at the clip to see how good it is. And first, in the preview window, and then let's get these two clips again side by side. And as expected, night and day, the newly upscale clip is way sharper and has a ton more detail. I mean, I've got to say, this is pretty addictive. Now, I just want to take a quick look at a couple more options. And the first one is the AI colorizer. So let's find myself a black and white clip of London, my hometown, but this clip's from a long time ago. Let's load it up and give it a quick preview. Now, another push on that export button, and after a short time, let's get those two clips side by side, and again, boom, check it out. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, I've used that word quite a bit, but it really is. And the nice thing about this AI colorizer is it hasn't given me oversaturated, fake, bright, modern color. It's almost as if it's loaded the clip, looked at it or analyzed it, realized the era, and has used colors more fitting with that time. And I have to say, amazing again, but I won't. Well, I did. But anyway, lastly, guys, we all struggle sometimes with, the kind of place that we can film, right? So sometimes we have a nice background, and in others, the background is a little plain. Well, VikPea is a nice background removal tool, which actually works quite well. So load in the video, click on preview, and there you are. Background removed in seconds. Guys, there's a ton of stuff that we can play around with, but the best thing is for you to try it yourselves. This is a seriously powerful tool, and you can spend days either just having fun with it or actually breathing new life into your old videos. Either way, this should definitely be on your tick list of software to try. Honestly, I'm impressed. And when it comes to pricing, well, you know what? It couldn't get more simple. You have a monthly plan, a yearly plan, or you can buy it once and own it. And that's great nowadays because we all hate subscriptions. Well, I guess we don't hate them, but we've got a lot of them, right? So a model to own it yourself is brilliant. And I'm not suggesting that you need to run all of your old films through this, although you may want to. But for those special memories, you know what? Yeah, it's a great choice. So guys, after playing with VikPea for a while, here's my honest take. It's fun, it's addictive, and it genuinely makes old footage look fresh again. Whether it's family videos, old films, or even animation, it adds detail, sharpness, and color that just weren't there before. And guys, at the time of this video going live, and when it comes to pricing, it's refreshingly simple. You can go for a monthly plan, a yearly plan, or a one-time purchase if you want to own it outright. And honestly, for what it can do, especially with those special memories, it's a great deal. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any further discount codes in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to HitPaw for sending me this very fun and capable software to review. I'm Dave with Scene Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.